Welcome to the fascinating world of Bitcoin. As you embark on your crypto journey in 2026, it's essential to grasp the shifting dynamics of this digital currency. Bitcoin has elevated beyond its early label as digital gold, and now, in this pivotal year, it faces rigorous evaluations from institutions, countries, and even central banks. This exploration is intrigued by Bitcoin's growing role in financial discussions. Today, we will delve into the core concepts of Bitcoin, emphasizing its recent transformative updates that can empower you to navigate this evolving landscape. At its essence, Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency, liberated from the control of banks and governments. It thrives on a global network of interconnected computers, ensuring autonomy and transparency. One of the most compelling narratives for 2026 is Bitcoin's scarcity. Nearly 95% of the total 21 million Bitcoins have already been mined. This scarcity positions Bitcoin as a deflationary asset, inherently designed to gain value over time as demand outpaces dwindling supply. For those new to crypto, the strategy of dollar-cost averaging, DCA, offers a prudent entry. Investing a small, steady amount regularly can smooth out the volatile price movements. A significant technical breakthrough shaping 2026 is the emergence of Layer 2 scaling solutions. Traditionally, Bitcoin's transaction speed was a barrier for everyday transactions, but innovative projects like the Lightning Network, Stacks, and Citrea are revolutionizing this aspect. These Layer 2 layers facilitate instant and cost-effective transactions, transforming Bitcoin into a practical tool for decentralized finance, DeFi, smart contracts, and staking to earn yields. The theory has matured into reality, with live ecosystems demonstrating Bitcoin's versatile applications, making it more accessible and functional for everyday users. Moreover, 2026 signals the convergence of traditional finance, TradFi, with decentralized finance, DeFi. Regulatory frameworks such as Europe's MiCA have been fully implemented, establishing clear guidelines for Bitcoin activities. Concurrently, in the US, and the ongoing discussions surrounding the Clarity Act highlight the shifting landscape. Major institutions are recognizing Bitcoin's potential, leading digital asset treasury firms, such as MicroStrategy, to procure roughly 4% of its total supply. This growing institutional interest is propelling optimistic price forecasts, with many analysts anticipating Bitcoin could reach $150,000 by the year's end. As we move forward, it becomes increasingly clear that Bitcoin is now a cornerstone for a new financial infrastructure. Whether you are in it for long-term gains or exploring emerging dApps on Layer 2, 2026 promises substantial growth and opportunity. Don't forget to stay updated on the latest developments and share your thoughts on Bitcoin's future.